Hi, so in today's video, we'll be creating a program that takes the list of numbers as an input and gives out the output as an average of the list. So let's get started. So we'll create a function, def average list, and the parameters would be a list that contains numbers inside it. So there are actually two ways to do it. We'll see the first method first. So we'll have a variable called total that is set to 0. So this will obviously contain the total of the entire list. Now we'll loop through the list and we'll increase the total by whatever the variable it is. And now this will continue for the entire process, like till the list doesn't get empty. And now we'll simply return total divided by the length of the list, that is nums. And let's see if this actually works out. So we'll do print average list and let's have 5, 10, 15, and 20. Let's see. See, that works out. Now there's another way to do it. Let's check that out as well. So simply get rid of this. And now over here, in spite of total, I can just use an inbuilt function of Python test. And now we'll get the same result that we got earlier over here. So that's two methods to do it. Let me know which one do you find the easiest. Thank you.